Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's video is a microdermabrasion facial kind of video at home thing, and I was so blessed by receiving this sonic refresher. It's a wet and dry sonic microdermabrasion system with micro mist technology, and this is by Todd Beauty, and they sent this over so that I can try and review it and let you guys know how I feel about it. So I'm gonna read what it has first and then the steps to it, and then I'm gonna show you how it works. The system includes a sonic refresher mint microdermabrasion tool, which is this right here, and she's such a beauty. I love the color, and it's just this. It says sonic refresher on the back, and then it says Todd Beauty. It has the Mister button and the Microderm button as well. So there's the coarse diamond tip microdermabrasion head, there's the fine diamond tip microdermabrasion head, and the small fine diamond tip microdermabrasion head. So I have three here, and they have three letters, so I'm guessing I will find out which one is which, but of course I'm pretty sure this is the small fine diamond tip microdermabrasion head. And then it comes with a built-in micronizing mister with reusable refill bottle, 3 disposable filters, 3 customizable speeds, and a USB charging cable, which is pretty awesome. This one, the C tip and vacuum suction, helps remove dulling dead skin, uneven texture, and congestion while creating a smoother, healthier looking complexion with improvement into the appearance of dark spots, uneven tone, radiance, smoothness, fine lines, and enlarged pores. So step 2 is reset to use the small fine tip, which is this one, and its ergonomic, sleek design allows you to recede the signs of aging by targeting fine lines, wrinkles, and hard to reach places like around the nose area for a completely rejuvenated and more youthful look. And then finally, 3 is to the finer diamond bits allow you to polish and smooth your way to a brighter, more radiant, youthful look. Prep skin for increased product observation for accelerated and anti-aging results. Creates a perfectly smooth skin surface for a flawless makeup application. So that's pretty cool. Since I am always applying makeup, then this one I would use more. Step 4 is to rehydrate with micronized mister, and that's what this is right here, this mister. And I'm guessing it comes out through this hole right here. And that transforms water or your favorite toner into a micronized mist to infuse freshly detoxified pores with soothing hydration. Step 5, wet mode for extra gentle skin rejuvenation. Hydrate and calm with micronized mister while simultaneously rejuvenating the complexion with microdermabrasion for gentle skin soothing benefits available in all 3 speed settings. So as well as 3 different speed settings. So I probably will use it on the low setting today because I'm just starting off. And I also know that this, you have to like pull your skin opposite of where you're using the machine. To start off, I will pull my skin this way, gently, not like that. Pull my skin and then slowly, start moving the machine into the skin so that it can help and all that good stuff. On the back side, you open it up, and right here, it comes with a little funnel. You can put your whatever toner you use. Today I'm going to be using the Glow Tonic because it's my favorite. So you put the toner right in here, and that's what the mister lets out onto the face after you do all the prepping on the face. Also receive these little things. I'm pretty sure we have to put this before applying any of these. It came with a tube as well. I'm guessing this is where you put your toner as well, and so you have a smaller bottle for this. But I don't need that because I already have a small bottle. These little filters go in here. It already has one. So we're going to start off with this one. And it says to change the filter periodically, which is reasonable. It says for the C regular size head course, you want to go upwards with that, which is the bigger one. For the smaller one, you want to use it around your nose and in these areas. And then for the regular one, you want to go side by side. Okay. So to start, I already washed my face, but I'm going to be using a hot paper towel. It's warm by now, but I'm just going to apply this over the face and just open up my pores a little bit. So now we're going to take the regular size head, the one that you're going to use for down and upward movements to improve the darkness, the dark spots, uneven tone, radiance, and smoothness, fine lines, and enlarged pores for your skin. Oh, you gotta be gentle. It is going to suck your skin. And so you want to kind of do it quickly as well. You don't want to do it too slow. And your face will get red because you're cleaning up your skin. Oh wow. I can already feel the difference. That was the first step. My face already feels so soft and amazing. I noticed I had some ugly pores here and it kind of like sucked some life out of that. I am a little bit red because I am going to get red. That's normal. But yeah, so far I like the way it feels. My face is so refreshed. So the next one is the S, which is for around the nose and the forehead and the fine lines that you have on the face. The small one is for the blackheads on your nose and for wrinkles and stuff that you may have around your face. Look, already the redness has gone down tremendously. So yeah, the redness is normal. And to the nose. I really like the way it's working on my skin, especially on these tricky areas around the nose where, you know, you can't really get to those areas and you may have blackheads there. I know I have a couple of blackheads on the nose, which this is perfect for. Under my chin area, it's working really good. I needed this in my life. It's kind of tricky to do it here. Okay, so I really like the way this worked around the nose area and around chin area especially, and right here. I know I get kind of like a couple of blackheads right here that are very stubborn, and I feel like with using this regularly, not regularly, but you know, once in a while, it will help with all those blackheads around these areas. This one's recommended to do before bedtime for your skin to look youthful, and it smooths out the skin. So let's see. My face is a little bit red. Don't get scared. It's gonna go down. But I really like this one, the third one. I feel like it really made a difference in my face. And I feel like it was easier to use and manage. I probably need to get used to these heads right here because they're a bit smaller, and the smallest one was a bit trickier because it kept like sucking too hard and it wasn't letting me like spread it. So with this one, I felt like it was much easier to spread. But all in all, I feel like all three of them work great. So after you have the toner in the device, you're going to close that up again. And then the mister button is above the Microderm button. And oh, look how cute that is. So you're just going to mist your face. Oh my goodness. And it smells so much better being mistified. Oh, that feels great. So this is basically just hydrating your face and detoxifying the pores. This is just so cool. I love this right here. I think this is my favorite part of this device, that it has a built-in mister. My face feels so refreshed right after you did that. All you need is that something to refresh the face, and this comes with it built in, which is perfect. Love it. They killed it with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I will come back probably and show you in the morning how my face looks after. But right now I do have some red spots. It is normal to have that. You were pulling and tugging on the skin, so of course you're gonna have redness. But my face feels so smooth. It doesn't feel irritated at all. The process of this did not hurt at all. Yes, I got scared because it was sucking in, and I'd never done that before, so I got a little scared. But other than that, this was pretty easy to do. I feel like if you can't afford to go to a spa, having this would be a perfect alternative. I'm going to link the price because I don't know the price of it. But I will link the price and all the information down below as well. I can't wait to keep using this. Microdermabrasion is always so good for the skin as well. You need to exfoliate your skin. You need to let go of those dead, nasty cells. You know, clean up your face. So doing this is also so healthy for the skin. So I'm so happy to have this. I can't wait to keep using it. This is going to be my go-to, so go get yourself a sonic refresher. I think it's so worth it, and just to do it at home as well is perfect. This is a perfect thing to do. If you don't want to spend too much money on getting facials and things like that, you can do it at home by yourself and save a little bit of money as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will come back in the morning and show you how I look. Hi everyone, so this is the next day. Yeah, this is my morning face. I look like crap. I woke up and had to get on here because I didn't want to forget. So this is basically my morning face, so don't get scared. But yeah, my skin feels amazing. I love the texture of it. I love the way these pores right here, you can't see them as much. I do have, that's my fault though, I do have a couple of scratches here because I did it too rough and I noticed it, but that's entirely my fault. It's not the machine's fault. You're supposed to be gentle once you're, you know, putting that on your face and rubbing it against your skin. So that's entirely my fault. But other than that, I love the way my skin feels. It's nice and glowy. This is basically how it is without anything, without washing it or anything, because I wanted to show you guys, you know, the before and after. So yeah, I can't wait to keep using it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.